Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have selected three main important topics from the Hindu newspaper. The first topic is Aditya L1. India's first dedicated solar mission Aditya L1 is giving scientists a closer look at solar eruption known as coronal mass ejection. The mission is a collaboration between ISRO, IIA, Indian Institute of Astrophysics and NASA. Unique achievement. For the first time, scientists have made spectroscopic observation of a CME in a visible wavelength range using the VELC visible emission line coronagraph. Aditya L1 is placed near the Lagrangian point, which is L1, giving it a 24 hours view of the sun. Key discoveries means important discoveries. Scientists estimated important CME parameters such as electron density, temperature, mass, speed. The CME had energy 9.4 into 10 ki power 21 joules, mass 270 million tons, speed 264 kilometer per second, temperature 1.8 million Kelvin. Scientific insights around 370 million electrons per cubic centimeter were found in the CME region. The CME energy is massive compared to non CME corona regions. These findings help scientists understand how energy is lost from sun during eruptions. Future scope. The mission will continue observing more energetic solar eruption. The VELC instrument will play a key role in understanding the sun's behavior during the next solar cycle, which is cycle 25. Second topic is nutritious food. What are functional food and smart protein? Functional food. Enriched food that promote health or prevent diseases. Example, vitamin enriched rice, iron fortified flour, omega 3 milk. Smart protein. Sustainable alternative protein sources such as plant based, fermentation derived, or cultivated meat. Aim improve nutrition and reduce dependence on animal based food. Why does India need nutritional transformation? Over one third of Indian children are malnourished. Rising population, climate change, and urbanization demand sustainable nutrition. Need to ensure nutritional security while reducing environmental degradation. Functional food and smart proteins can help address protein deficiency and food insecurities. Where does India stand today? Recognized under India's bioeconomy policy, DBT, Department of Biotechnology, and BIRAC promote an R&D research and development in functional and smart food sectors. Startups like Good Dot, Blue Tri Fruits, Evo Foods lead the way in plant-based meat and egg alternatives. India has over 70 smart protein brand and active research in cultivated meat. The way forward policy and public awareness need a clear national regulatory framework under FSSAI for definition and labeling, promote public private partnership for biotech innovation and infrastructure, raise public awareness to reduce skepticism about lab made food, focus on farmer inclusion, sustainable agriculture, and research based food production. And the last topic is UN 2023 Water Conference, a wake up call on global water crisis. Introduction. Do you know that billions of people still don't have access to clean drinking water? The UN's 2023 Water Conference revealed alarming fact about our world's water crisis. The UN 2023 Water Conference was the first global water conference in 45 years. It was held to assess progress made under the International Decade for Action Water for Sustainable Development 2018 to 2028. Key highlights of the conference. The conference emphasized that a significant portion of the global population lacks access to safe drinking water and sanitation. The UN World Water Development Report 2023 showed over 2 billion people live without safety managed drinking water. Around 3.6 billion people lack access to safe sanitation. The situation is worsening due to climate change, rapid urbanization, and poor water management. Major global concerns discussed: water scarcity and groundwater depletion are growing threats. Pollution from agriculture and industries is contaminating rivers and groundwater. Unequal access to water between urban and rural regions continues to widen. The need for sustainable partnership, innovation, and technology driven solution was highlighted. Role of technology and partnership: the UN urged countries to use digital water mapping, AI based monitoring, and efficient irrigation system, encourage global collaboration between governments, private sectors, and local communities. Focus on SDG 6, matlab Sustainable Development Goal, clean water and sanitation for all, a key sustainable development goal to be achieved by 2030. The way forward: nations must treat water as a global common good, not a private resource. Strengthen water governance, improve wastewater treatment, and promote community participation. Urgent global and national action is needed to ensure universal access to clean water.